So let's next. So no rate limiting. So what happened? I think every time you are finding the login, like on forgot password, web application is sending the email. On sending the OTP, web application is sending the OTP. So what happened? You can try the no rate limiting on there. So it is very easy. This is P4 bug, and how we can find out this? Let's say any website. There is a website. You can try it on. Okay, let's close all of them. First of all, close. Let's say there is a website Dale. And just go to sign in, and you have an account on this. Okay. Okay. Let's say sign in. See. Let's see we are signing in or not. See. Sign in. Okay. So this is our password. Okay. So what happened? Let's say we are forgot this. So we need to just send it. Okay. We need to click on this forgot password or reset password. So I clicked on it, and we need to capture this request. Proxy intercept on. And I think I forgot to open the bug. Let's go to the back again. Capture this request. See, this is forgot password. So send it again and again. So this will send you, see, this is waiting for an OTP. So this will send you an OTP. Say, see, this is sending an OTP. So we need to send it again and again. Let's see how many OTP we are getting. See, refresh it. See, we are getting now. So let's see. If you are getting like more than 20 or 25, then there is a no rate limiting bug. Let's see. So let's see how many we are getting. See, after 10, we are not getting any OTP. We are sending this, but we are not getting any OTP. See, I am sending this again and again, but see, no OTP, only 10. See, after 10, we are not getting. If you are getting more than like 20, 25, then there is a no rate limiting bug. So no rate limiting means there is no rate limiting sending the OTP. So you can try it every time. Like every time application is sending the OTP, sending the email on like forgot password or other like deleting the account or other actions where application is sending the OTP, you can check out this bug. If there is no rate limiting, just take the screenshot both of this and send it to the report it. Then maybe you will get the bounty. Okay. And I get my first bounty from this. See, this is I get this first bounty. I get it from first bounty through this bug. See, I reported it about 5 years ago. So maybe you will get for your first bounty through this no rate limiting. So that I am just learning. Okay. So see, I just take the screenshot of this and reported this. I get the $100 bounty. So we covered this no rate limiting. So there is another no rate limiting also. See, I get this bounty from no rate limiting, and other is this too. There are many. I reported many. Sometimes I get the bounty, sometimes not. Same thing. See, I reported this, but this is duplicate, so no bounty. So this is on this boomi.com. This is from the Dell. Next is web bypass. So let's say when you are doing the researching on a website, you find out an IP address related to that application. Let's say you are researching on Dell.com or anything. Let's say anything.com, and you find out the IP address through host using this host command. Let's say, see, nowadays most of the web applications are using the Cloudflare or anything, so it is difficult to find out a real IP address. But let's say you find out it. Let's say, you see, we are getting the IP address. So try to access that website through that IP address. If you are accessing that website through that IP address, then that is a firewall bypass. See, we are not accessing. So if you are, see, this is Dell.com. This IP address is from Dell.com, and if we are accessing the Dell.com Dell website through this IP address, then there is a bug, this WAF bypass. Okay, so you can report it. If you are find out, just take the screenshot through that IP address and report it. So maybe you will get the bounty. Okay. So next is lack of password confirmation. See, we created a password, or like let's say on any website, let's say Canva or any Dell, or when we're deleting, we can deactivate. Say there are most of the time you will find out two options: deactivate the account or delete the account. We are deactivating or deleting the account, and if there is no password confirmation or no OTP confirmation, or you can delete that account, then there is a bug, or this is P4 bug. So I get the bounty from that, but I forgot that bug. Which bug? See, I am showing you only bug crowd bug. So what happened? So see, I reported many bugs through the email address. So I don't know when and where I reported. So this is my different email. I reported from different emails. Okay. So I get the bounty from this bug also many times. Say lack of password confirmation on delete account. So okay. See, I get the bounty most of these bugs, okay, because of that I'm teaching you. Okay, so how we can try out this bug? Let's say you have an account on Dell.com. Just you need to try to deactivate, or let's okay, we already sign in on the we sign in here. So just go to your sign in. Sign in, log in to application, and go to account section and try to delete. Enter the verification code, send a registered email. Okay, let's see the email. What is the code? Wait for some time. See, so go to account section. See, account section, and try to delete the account. If you are delete that account without any OTP or any password confirmation, then there is a bug. So there is a see account setting, profile setting, and see there is option deactivate account. If you are clicking on this, and see this is asking one time passcode. See, this is asking passcode. If application is not asking this and directly deleting your account, then there is a this bug, lack of password confirmation on delete account. So you can report it, and I reported it many times on bug crowd, and most of the time this is duplicate. I see this like this, no password confirmation on delete account, but see this is a bug, unresolved and duplicate. See on DigitalOcean. See, this is the location, cloud DigitalOcean login. I log in there, and after login there is a see deactivate account, and after press the button you will successfully cancelled has been scheduled. So account is deleted without any confirmation. See, and this is a valid bug. So you can also report this bug also, lack of password confirmation on delete account. Okay, next is zone transfer. So zone transfer, what is zone? What happen when you create the domain, like you buy the domain, and when you attach the domain to any IP address or anything, then you create a zone in a zone editor. So you have the your real IP address or any many others normal sensitive, not very much sensitive, but normal sensitive data is there. So you can get that data, like if there is a zone transfer bug is there. So how you can find out this? So let's try out on let's type this cname. Let's search on. So see, first you need to find out the name server. So this is the name server, the ns1 name server. Or first try to find out the name server. Let's test on other dig. See, this is the name server, and let's check other. Let's say tcrsecurity.com. See, this is. So after that, you need to type this command axfr. Or after that, this name server, and after that, actual website name. See, transfer is failed. If transfer is successful, then you will get the data here like this on your screen. You will see the data and try to check out what is the sensitive data in it. So just take the screenshot of that and you can report this bug. Okay, so this is very simple. Just try to find out the. Let's check out on this again. Security.com. CNAME. This is the CNAME. After that, dig axfr and that name. See, this is the name. If transfer failed, and if transfer is successful and if transfer is successful means you will see the data here on below here like this, many data, IP address and many other background things. Then just take the screenshot and report this bug. Okay, so this is no password confirmation on delete account. We already discussed this. So zone transfer using default credentials. So this is very important because this is P1 bug. See, every time when you see the login page, try to at least try admin password, administrator, simple password, username. So you can search, you can use this. Bug. So you need to search accordingly. Like if you find the Cisco and maybe you are getting VMware, like say VMware, I get it many times. VMware Horizon or anything, VMware. See, I search already this Horizon. So I get it VMware Horizon login on a website. Okay. So what I did, I search for the CRADs. See, and if we successfully log in there through these credentials, so try to search that on these. See, VMware docs. Maybe you will get something username, password. See, let's see. Hmm. So this is taking time. So you can search for the username or password through this method. So you need to search accordingly, like according to the software or technology, like what they are, if there is a like Ubuntu or any other, or like if you are not getting anything, then that time you can use the your default word list. Mm, default credentials word list. So you can use this your default credentials word list. See, okay, these word list. Okay, but first try to find out through that what technology or what software they are using. Okay, default credentials. Or normally, like if you are not getting, you can try this admin password, administrator. Okay. Other is sensitive data exposure. See, we already discussed this when we are doing the fudging and any other thing, or like maybe we are running the Bob suite and we are getting something sensitive data on any endpoint. Let's say this is an endpoint, we are getting sensitive data in the response here. So there is a bug. Okay, if you are getting the sensitive data in the response related to that website, so just take the screenshot and report this. So this also this bug can go from P1 to P4. It depends on the data, what kind of sensitivity you means, how, what is the criticality of that data. So I found out this bug many times. So I will show you only one screenshot. See, real time error logs, debug information. So this is a location. So what happened, there is a this endpoint GSP log report. So I am getting all the logs related to that website. So this is P1 bug, but I reported multiple P1. So only one P1 is selected. See what happens. Sometimes they don't have the budget. If you are getting sensitive data, see, on any endpoint. If you think, okay, this is a sensitive data, just take the screenshot and report it. Okay. And this is the sensitive data. See, this is also a, okay, this is not. Okay, I think we discussed all of them, so you can report it. So yeah, so this is all about today. Thank you everyone.